name is Maruf Hassan, and I represent Bangladesh in the city of Moncton.
So for that one, I would like to invite.
Good morning. For the City of Moncton, on behalf of the Mayor, Deputy Mayor now, and Council, we're so happy to have you. Your associations, the Greater Moncton Cultural Heritage Association for the Asians, it has made our city so much better than what it was. To see the different cultures, the work ethics, just the things that you bring to our city that most cities don't have, and the harmony that we all live within. It's so fine. So on behalf of council, I'm so happy to be here, and hopefully your month, your day goes good, and hopefully if I'll be around to try to memorize what Gina said a few minutes ago, so I can remember to get to a few of them. So thank you again.
Over the past 44 years, GMCCA has various multicultural organizations to provide services to immigrants, encourage the integration of Chinese newcomers into the community, promote Chinese culture and arts. So let us come together to celebrate this opening ceremony and enjoy the diversity programs planned for the month. Actually, because this speech is supposed to be delivered by our another co-president, Juan Du, who have devoted so much time, effort into this event, together with our honored president, Min Peng Gu. Then, unfortunately, she cannot be here because she has to work. Just like our another co-president, Liu Chen, and myself, and all the others dedicated volunteers. Then we work 9 to 5. We have our own job, but then we work on evening, we work on weekends, then try to make this events come to life. This is really a tremendous job.
They have some of the activities starting from today. And I will guide you how we gonna do the selfies there. Are you guys all ready? Yeah. All your cameras are ready? Yeah.